The Caucasus, land of ancient mountains, vibrant cultures, and food that'll make your eyebrows jump. Forget bland, boring meals. Here, we're talking bold flavors and unique ingredients. This region's got a history as rich and layered as its famous honey cake. And trust me, the food's just as good. One bite, and you're transported to bustling marketplaces, filled with the aroma of spices and sizzling meat. Hearty stews simmer over open fires, while fresh bread bakes in clay ovens. Each dish tells a story, passed down through generations. It's a symphony of taste and tradition, a feast for the senses. But hold on, adventurous eaters. We're going deeper, exploring the heart of Caucasus cuisine. Today's dish is not for the faint of heart. Shish kebab made with liver, lungs, and heart. Sounds intense? You bet it is. This is real deal old school cooking. Get ready for an unforgettable culinary journey, one that challenges your palate and expands your horizons. Buckle up, folks, it's going to be a wild ride. Forget your fancy cuts of meat. In the Caucasus, organ meats are king. We're talking liver, lungs, and heart. These prized ingredients are treated with respect, their flavors coaxed out with care. It's a culinary art form, honed over centuries. First things first, selecting the right offal is key. Freshness is paramount. You want vibrant color, firm texture, no funky smells. It's all about quality, ensuring the best possible taste. Once you've got your ingredients, it's time to get down to business. The preparation is where the magic happens. Each organ meat requires a different approach. Liver, rich and earthy, needs a quick soak in milk to mellow its intensity. Lungs, light and airy, benefit from a long simmer in broth to tenderize them. Heart, dense and muscular, demands a good marinade to infuse it with flavor. This is where tradition meets innovation. Each family has its own secret recipe, passed down through generations. It's a delicate dance of spices, herbs, and techniques, all aimed at creating the perfect balance of taste and texture. In the Caucasus, food is more than just sustenance. It's a celebration of life, a way to connect with ancestors and community. And when it comes to celebrating, organ meats take center stage. These delicacies are steeped in history and symbolism, representing resourcefulness and respect for the animal. Think about it, every part of the animal is used. Nothing goes to waste. It's a testament to the ingenuity and resilience of the people, their ability to make the most of what they have. It's a tradition that's been passed down for generations, a reminder of their heritage and connection to the land. Eating these dishes isn't just about the taste, it's about participating in a cultural ritual. It's about gathering around a table with loved ones, sharing stories and laughter. It's about honoring the past while embracing the present. Sharing a meal of liver, lungs, and heart shish kebab is a way to connect on a deeper level. It's a sign of hospitality, a way to welcome guests into the fold. It's a taste of authenticity, a glimpse into the heart of Caucasus culture. So, are you ready to take your taste buds on an adventure? Step outside your comfort zone and embrace the unique flavors of the Caucasus. This is food that's meant to be experienced, savored, and shared. It's a journey that'll challenge your perceptions and leave you craving more. Don't be intimidated by the unfamiliar. This is an opportunity to expand your culinary horizons, to discover new tastes and textures. It's a chance to connect with a different culture, to appreciate the diversity of food traditions around the world. Imagine yourself sitting at a table laden with Caucasus delicacies. The aroma of grilled meats fills the air, mingled with the scent of fresh herbs and spices. You take a bite of the shish kebab, the flavors exploding in your mouth. It's rich, savory, and unlike anything you've ever tasted before. This is what culinary adventure is all about, pushing boundaries, trying new things, and discovering hidden gems. So go ahead, take a leap of faith and embark on a gastronomic journey to the Caucasus. You might be surprised at what you find.